Good morning, all of you. Hydroxy compounds called alcohols. In this video, we are going to discuss about evaluate yourself problems, index questions in CBSE. Classify the following alcohols as primary, secondary, and tertiary, and give their IUPAC name. The first compound given is CH3, CH2, CHOH, CH2, CBr, CH3 twice. First I write the compound in a correct form, that is CH3, CH2. If it is given in bracket, write it as a side chain OH, then you have one CH2. Here one carbon, one bromine is attached to this carbon, 2 methyl twice means write one methyl in the straight chain, another methyl in the side chain. Our functional group is OH and Br, but here OH should get the lowest number. Therefore, the numbering of main chain start with left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 carbon atoms. Therefore, the root word is hex. Carbon-carbon single bond N, OH all, position of OH3. In the 5th carbon, we have one bromo and one methyl. Both comes under prefix. Position of bromo is 5. Therefore, 5 bromo. Position of methyl is also 5. 5 methyl hexane. 3 all is IUPAC name of this compound. Here the OH is attached to CH. Therefore, this alcohol comes under secondary alcohol. OH attached to CH2 or CH3 primary. OH attached to CH secondary. If OH is attached to directly carbon atom, tertiary. Come to the second compound. The second compound given is C2H5 thrice COH. What is the meaning of this? To one carbon, one OH is attached. 3 ethyl are attached to this carbon atom. One ethyl, CH2, CH3. Another ethyl, CH3, CH2. Third ethyl, CH2, CH3. We have to select the long chain, linear chain containing more number of carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the main chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third carbon contain one OH, the same third carbon contain one ethyl also. So total number of carbon atoms are 5. Root word pend, carbon-carbon single bond N, OH all. What is the position of OH? Position of OH is 3. Pendane 3 all. In the third carbon, one ethyl is present. 3 ethyl, pendane 3 all. Here OH is attached to directly carbon atom. OH is attached to directly carbon atom. There is no H here. Therefore, it is tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol. Come to the next compound. CH2 double bond CCl, CHOH, CH3. Now I write this compound in actual direct form. CH2 double bond C, Cl is in the side chain. Here you have one CHOH in the side chain and CH3. When you give number, the OH should get the lowest number. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. How to give name? 4 carbon atom, root word butane. Carbon-carbon double bond in OH all. Position of double bond 3, position of OH is 2. And the third carbon containing one Cl, therefore 3 chloro, bute 3 in to all is the IUPAC name of this given compound. The next compound is bond line structure. The compound is given. Now I am going to write the actual molecular formula. Here you have one carbon atom. Around this carbon atom there is only one bond. Therefore the other three bonds are occupied by hydrogen, CH3, single bond. Around this carbon atom there are only three bonds, 1, 2, 3. Therefore remaining one bond is occupied by hydrogen, CH, that OH. Then single bond. This carbon atom, around this carbon atom there are three bonds, 1, 2, 3. Therefore remaining only one, H, double bond. So this carbon, around this carbon only three bonds are present. So remaining one, CH. Come to this carbon atom, around this carbon there are two bonds. So remaining two bonds are occupied by hydrogen. Come to this carbon, around this carbon atom only three bonds are present. Therefore remaining one H is present in that carbon atom. To that Br is attached. The last carbon is this carbon atom. Around this carbon atom there is only one bond. Therefore the remaining three bonds are occupied by hydrogen. OH should get the lowest number. So here by numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total number of carbon atoms are 7. Therefore the root word is hept. Hept. Root word is hept. Carbon carbon double bond in presence of OH all. Position of double bond 3. It is present in between 3 and 4. The lowest number is 3. We have to select the lowest number. OH position is 2. And in the sixth carbon one bromo is present. Bromo should be written in prefix. Here OH is attached to CH. Therefore this alcohol comes under secondary alcohol. And in the above example also OH is attached to CH. Therefore this alcohol comes under secondary alcohol. Then one more compound we have under this, evaluate yourself. So this is our next compound given. For this we have to write the IUPAC name and also classify primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Now I write the actual structure of this compound. This is our benzene ring, C6H5, one carbon atom. Here you have one ethyl, CH2, CH3. C2H5 is nothing but ethyl, CH2, CH3. And here you have one OH. Remember there is no IUPAC name for aromatic. We have to give IUPAC name through the aliphatic. Our aliphatic main chain is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the position of OH is 3. If we give a number from this direction or this direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the third carbon we get one all and also we get one phenyl. So what is the IUPAC name of this compound? 5 carbon atom pending, carbon carbon single bond in, OH all, position of OH3. In the same third carbon we have one phenyl. The IUPAC name of this compound is 3-phenyl pentane 3-all. And here the OH is attached to directly carbon atom. Here there is no alpha hydrogen, H, H2, H3. So OH is directly attached to carbon atom. Therefore this comes under tertiary alcohol. Now we are going to discuss the IUPAC and the classification of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol in in-text question. This word is used in NCERT book, in-text question. And the first index question given is, this is I think neopentyl alcohol. The number starting from main chain is this chain. OH attached to the first carbon atom 1, 2, 3. Main chain containing 3 carbon atom. Therefore the root word is prop, carbon carbon single bond in, OH all. Position of OH is 1. In second carbon there are 2 methyl, both the substituent are same. Therefore methyl, how many methyl? 2 2-methyl dimethyl. What are the position of methyl? This methyl 2 and this methyl is also 2. 2,2 dimethyl propane 1 all. In this compound, the OH is attached to CH2, therefore this is primary. Once again, I remind you, if OH is attached to CH3 or CH2, it is primary. OH is attached to CH secondary. OH directly attached to the carbon atom tertiary. And the second question is, this is our second question. We know the common name allyl alcohol OH number 1, 2, 3. IUPAC name 3-carbon propane, carbon double bond in OH all. Position of double bond 2, position of OH 1. Prop 2 in 1 all. Allylic group, one of the classification alcohol. Allylic group is CH2 double bond CH2. And the third compound given is CH3 CH2 CH2 OH. We know N-propyl alcohol, a very simple compound. 3-carbon root word prop, carbon single bond N OH all, position of OH 1. IUPAC name of this third compound. Now I am going to write the fourth compound. This is the fourth compound. One benzene ring containing one ethyl. From ethyl, one H is replaced by one OH. So functional group and phenyl attached carbon atom is 1. IUPAC name of this compound 2-carbon eth, carbon single bond N OH all. If you want, you can write the position of OH. And in the first carbon, one phenyl is also attached. 1 phenyl, ethane 1 all or ethanol. Actually 3 and above 3 carbon atom, we have to indicate the position. No need to indicate the position also. This is fourth compound in index question. Our fifth compound to the benzene ring, one isopropyl alcohol is attached. Then we give number 1, 2, 3. 3-carbon root word prop, carbon single bond N OH all, position of OH is 2. And in the first carbon we have 1 phenyl propane 2 all. In this OH is attached to CH, therefore comes under secondary alcohol. In the above example, OH is attached to CH, this is also comes under secondary alcohol. In the third compound, OH is attached to CH2, therefore this is primary alcohol. In the second example also, OH is attached to CH2, primary alcohol. Now, the last example in index question is, this is our sixth index question under the IUPAC name and classification of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Now we have to give the number. OH should get the lowest 1, 2, 3, 4. In second carbon we have one OH and CH3, and in third carbon one double bond, fourth carbon one phenyl. 4 carbon atom root word butane, carbon double bond in OH all. Double bond position 3, OH position 2. And in the second carbon we have one methyl, and fourth carbon one phenyl. So 2 methyl and 4 phenyl but 3 in 2 all. Correct? Now here OH is attached to directly carbon atom, therefore comes under tertiary alcohol. One more point I want to tell is, among the 6 compound, now you are seeing first compound, second compound, third compound, fourth compound, fifth and sixth, only 2 compounds comes under allylic alcohol. 2 compounds comes under allylic alcohol. One is, actually this is allyl alcohol, this one is allylic alcohol, And one more allylic form, CH2 double bond CH, CH2, CH2 double bond CH, CH2. This is also allylic. This is also allylic alcohol. Comes under allylic alcohol. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. In the incoming video, I think we are going to discuss the isomeric form of pentanol. Thank you very much.